Hey everybody, it's me, your boy RJ, and today I'm going to do the easiest repair you've ever done that is also the hardest. So this is for a code P0573, brake switch A, circuit high, and this will set off your StabiliTrak. So this is your brake position sensor, okay? I kept the harness, the new one. So when you get under there, you're going to unplug it, you're going to be able to see it, but I want to show you. It's got this clip, like this, and you just flip it up, unplug it. If not, you got to get this off the back of this other sensor thing on the top of the brakes, which is really hard to do, and you got to like pull it out of there and be gentle. So I just didn't do it. Hopefully the harness isn't with bad. If not, we got to go back under there. So what you're going to get is a new sensor. You get two new T30 Torx head screw bits. Can you see the Torx? Torx are these guys. Okay, guys? And what you got is this stupid stuff. I'm going to show you. And you're going to have to do the job here. Actually, I'm going to show her. You do this. You have to do the job mostly. You can see it. So where I am, you can see it, and you have to do it under there. Now, what really came in handy was I have this guy. So I broke it free, and then I was able to do this to get the part off, because if not, going back and forth is not going to work, okay? It's so area. So you're right here, and you see it, okay? You guys can't see it, so I'm going to show you now. Okay? Here is the sensor right there in the light. Okay, see that screw right there, and there's one above it on the other side we can't see, and there's where it plugs in, and it just goes here on the side of your brake pedal. It's really easy, except the screws are too short and I'm too fat and you can't fit in here. And here, take this. So if I had a little more room, no problem, but I don't. So I'm in here like this, reaching in, and I had to do like this and not look, and just take the screw in my finger, find the hole like this, and move it around. And then once I got it in, I just had to like roll the edge to finger tighten it. But this is where it's going to save me to tighten it the rest of the way. I'm going to reach in with my handy dandy rotating ratchet and go like that. And my work is done without me doing the other stuff, because this ratchet saves my life all the time. Can you see what I'm doing? Kinda? I'm turning. This is tightening, guys. I have no angle under here. I just got to find it by feel. Then when I get it tight, okay, you don't want to go too tight, because these are little screws. You don't want to strip it out. Okay, but go as tight as you can by hand, and then give it like 2 little 1/8 of a turn. All right, now we are going to start this guy up, and we're going to check my codes with my blue driver, and we're going to hope that it fixed it. If not, we have the brake light switch, which is also another little thing. You put a bolt through here, which I'll show you. Clamp it on. It's what makes the lights go on. It touches this, connects to your brake booster, the diaphragm, the bolt that goes in and pushes the diaphragm in your brake booster to make it push the back of the diaphragm in the master cylinder. Okay? If you ever watch my master cylinder brake booster video on the Ford, you'll see it's kind of like. Let's pray that I don't have to get under there and get this, because like I said, the way this connects into like a thing, I don't know how I'm going to get it out of there without ripping the dash off. All right, so let's put the code on, you guys. I'm going to turn the car on, and now we're going to sit here, connect it, and got to hit connect. Then it takes a minute. Sometimes real long, sometimes fast. We're in all system modules, and it's going to scan 0. This thing will scan codes that have been erased, so it'll let you know if it's actually gone. So we ran the code. It's still on. I don't know if this is one of those codes that you got to run the car a while and it clear, but we're going to replace the brake switch position sensor, and this is another brake light switch. This is the one that actually makes the switch, and I'll show you how it works. It's actually a pretty simple repair compared to the other one. And you'll see it goes, right there. See that, this part right here? And see that rod? I know, guys, it's horrible. There's just not a lot of room. Okay, this rod is your brake booster. It goes in there. This part comes off. It's real simple. We're going to take a screwdriver, and we're going to reach into this clip. See that? And once you do it, the part will just pop off. There you go. I left this on. It just flips off. Okay, and then this part is a simple thing. You just gentle with it. There you go. Okay, you pop it off. This is, like I said, your brake booster switch. See that? And there you go. We'll undo this clip, push this button in. See how easy it comes off? It may not. There we go. That is the repair. We're going to put the new one on. And as you can see, it's got a lot of grease on it. Just from years ago, they put it on like white lithium and grease to hold it. Unless it's internal parts of it that broke off, but I don't know. This one does not have that, but maybe someone greased it. I don't know. It looks like white lithium grease and stuff, which may be internally in this switch. Okay, it might be in there, out of there. See that white part? Because if you look, it almost looks like that crap came off there. It does. Look at it. Doesn't it look like it came out of that hole? So this might have a grease to protect it, and it broke free. And if so, that's what it is. That's what broke the switch. So we did not get a new clip. My lights were still working, but when it was cold, I had problems. Maybe, were they working fine when it was cold? I don't know. So we're going to put it back on. You just slip the plug in, slide it over that part, put it back over, and put that clip back on. I'll try to show you, but it's really difficult to see. So, one hand here. Okay, take this. Make sure you flip it the right way. Okay. All right, I'm gonna stop it there, guys. I can't move and hold the video for you. All right, guys, I'm gonna try to get in there for you. So, see if you can see. Okay, so I'm gonna plug this in like this. See that? That's in. So then this part needs to slip. See this hole in the middle of it? It slips over this metal piece. Okay, and it like protects it. And then you put the hole, I know guys, there we go. See that? And then that's gonna get pulled out. So this slid in because of the thing. Pedal, you gotta put it right there. Okay, find the pedal. Find the hole. Okay, see it? And then you push it on. Wiggle this and get till you get it. Okay, there we go. And then you grab this clip, just like it was. See this? So see how it's got a bigger hole in the bottom? You guys see it? There you go. Push there. And then push it all the way on. Gonna fight you. It's a little difficult to do this one. Here, there we go. Almost. There we go. That is your brake pedal light switch. I'm gonna go out and check sure my brake light's working now after doing that. Something I need the other person to do it. And we'll figure this out, and that should be it, okay? Hopefully that is the code. Hopefully we ain't, whatever. Hopefully it isn't that harness, because that harness is gonna be a pain. I'm gonna be wrestling on here. I won't be able to show you. And it's gonna be like a little screwdriver or something and flip it out, all right?